No one's watching yet. Who knows who's gonna just pop in. Okay. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, we got one coming here. Oh, somebody's watching. Hello. About to pop out of the train tunnel here. Let's see if I can set this up right. No, we lost a viewer. That's pretty cool. Hey guys, this is kind of a weird setup, I know, but there's one about to pop out of the tunnel right now. I don't know what it is. It could be the mixed freight one from Johnstown. This is just a camera right in front of my phone. It's kind of a weird setup, but it works, I guess. Alright, you guys will see it in a second here. So the main thing, you probably can't hear me, but the main thing, I've got my drone over here. I've got my drone here. So, let's find. Alright, let's see what we can get. This will work, right? This camera angle. We'll see. Here, how about that? I'll just point at it. There we go. Alright, let's take off. Alright, there we go. Oh, it's still got 2 viewers. At least there's somebody watching this. The horseshoe curve is about 3 miles that direction. Yeah, look at those mountains. I'm gonna fly back down close to it again.